Dear students, today I am going to discuss the lesson The Testament of a Worker, part 3. On part 1 and part 2, we discuss about the habit of his driver, and the author lacks automobile sensibility, and for that he does not regret it. And he also mentioned that there will be a time when people rediscover the use of his feet, because the writer loves walking. And there will be a time when so-called petro-civilizations will be meaningless, will be useless, will be of no use. And he also mentions that the writer, that he values privacy and anonymity, but due to his car he was unable to maintain that particular habit. Due to his imported car he was unable to maintain that habit. And what are the problems he faces due to his car? He mentions in this particular lesson the testament of a worker. So here, testament, as I told you, is a statement of a worker. So the next paragraph: since my car was of special pedigree, it was inadvisable to allow any ordinary workshop to open the bonnet. So, as he mentioned, his car was of special ancestry, pedigree means, or special class, or have a special characteristic, because his car was imported car. And so it was not good, it was not advisable to open the bonnet in any ordinary workshop. Bonnet means a hood. গাড়ীৰ আগৰ পিনে যিখন থাকে, য'ত ইঞ্জিন বা সববিলাক থাকে, সেইখনক বনেট বুলি কয়। বনেটখন মানে য'তে ত'তে খুলিব নোৱাৰি, যিহেতু তেওঁৰ গাড়ীখন ইম্পৰ্টেড গাড়ী হয়। The accredited workshop with mechanics, welding special tools was 100 miles away at Bangalore. The accredited workshop, officially recognized workshop for the car. So, accredited workshop here means officially recognized particular dealer. So the accredited workshop, officially recognized workshop with mechanics, welding. Welding means possessing, owning, possessing special tools, special instrument, was 100 miles away at Bangalore. So he has to go 100 miles for any kind of the advice due to his car from the particular place to Bangalore. So he said that for any attentions I had to drive 100 miles every time. So for any kind of the attention, for any kind of the advice, the writer had to visit 100 miles every time. So that is also the problem for a person, for any kind of the advice, for any kind of the repairing. He had to move 100 miles every time, 100 miles. Next paragraph. At Bangalore, a team of experts would stand around and pronounce their verdict. So when he reached that particular place, Bangalore, at a time a team of experts would stand around. মানে তেওঁৰ গাড়ীখনৰ চাৰিপিনে থিয় হৈছিলে বা তেওঁলোকে আহিছিলে তেওঁৰ গাড়ীখনৰ ওচৰলৈকে, and pronounce, declare their verdict, their judgment, and they give their judgment regarding the car. যে গাড়ীখন কি কৰিব লাগিব বা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে গাড়ীখনৰ, সেই সম্পৰ্কে তেওঁলোকে একোটা জাজমেণ্ট তেওঁলোকে দিয়ে। So verdict here means the judgment or the opinion. Engine mountings need replacement. So what was the verdict? Engine mounting need replacement. Engine mounting. What is engine mounting? Engine mounting is a part that holds the engine in your car. Engine to যিটোৱে ধৰি ৰাখে এইটো মাউণ্টিং বুলি কোৱা হয় ইঞ্জিন মাউণ্টিং অৰ্থাৎ ইঞ্জিনটো ধৰি ৰখা সেই বস্তুটো কি হৈছে সেইটো হয়তো বেয়া হৈছিলে আৰু সেইটো কি কৰিব লাগিব সলাই দিব লাগিব ইঞ্জিন মাউণ্টিং নিড আ ৰিপ্লেচমেণ্ট আৰু কি কৈছিলে এণ্ড হোৱাট দে ইনফৰ্ম if you want to get rid of the dark sound which is bothering you one of the front shock absorber must be replaced. There was a sound, dark sound in his car. And regarding that, the mechanic informed him, if you want to get rid of that particular sound, you need to replace one of the front shock absorber. Amar springer nichina jitu thake, shock je absorb kore, or shock absorber ki khuli loba. Shock absorber are hydraulic or hydraulic oil, hydraulic pump like devices that help to control the impact and rebound movement of your vehicle springs and suspensions. Along with smoothing out bumps and vibrations. The key role of the shock absorber is to ensure that the vehicle's tires remain in contact with the road surface at all times, which ensures the safest control and braking responses from your car. অর্থাৎ যেটো ভাইব্রেশন সি কি কৰে অর্থাৎ আমাৰ যেটো shock absorber slow down or reduces the magnitude of the vibratory motions by turning the kinetic energy of suspension movement into heat energy. অর্থাৎ ইঞ্জিনৰ যেটো ভাইব্রেশন হয় বা যেটো ভাইব্রেশন হয় ই কি কৰি দিয়ে ই কন্ট্ৰোল কৰে আমাৰ যেটো স্প্ৰিং লাইক ডিভাইসেস যেটো থাকে বাইকত বা গাড়ীত চকাবিলাকত যেটো স্প্ৰিং দিয়া হয় সেইটোৰ কামটো সেইটো ই কেইবাটাও কাম কৰে যিখিনি মই যিমানখিনি পাৰি ক'লো there's a lot of functions. So ইয়াতে কৈছিলে যে যি shock absorbers যে কৈছিলে that one of the front shock absorber must be replaced better while you do it replace the pair so that your tire wear will be uniform. সাধাৰণ কথা যে কৈছিলে যে আপোনাৰ আগৰ যিটো shock absorber আছে তাৰ বাবে এইটো সাউন্ড হৈছে গাড়ীখনৰ ভাইব্ৰেশন হৈছে গাড়ীখন কন্ট্ৰোলত নাই তাৰ বাবে আপুনি কি কৰিব লাগিব প্ৰথম ফ্ৰন্ট shock absorber প্ৰবলেম আছে কিন্তু আমাৰ সাজেশন এইটো যে আপুনি গোটেইকেইটা মানে গোটেই পেয়াৰটো আমি খলাই দিয়ক pair কি কৈছিলে pair better while you do it replace the pair so that your tire wear will be uniform. Tire wear means on or tire মানে কি হ'ব যদি মই এটা খলাই দিওঁ এটা চকাৰ খলাই দিওঁ আগটো খলাই দিওঁ পিছৰ খলাই নিদিওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব সেই যদি খলাই দিওঁ সেই চকাটো কমকৈ ক্ষয় যাব আৰু বাকি কেইটা কি হ'ব বেছিকৈ যাব গতিকে এটা এডজাষ্টমেণ্ট থাকিব অৰ্থাৎ কি হয় গাড়ীৰ যেটো কৈছে যে সাসপেনশনে কি কৰে যাতে ইনট্যাক্ট হৈ থাকে ৰাস্তাৰ লগত যদি এটা চকা অলপকৈ লাগে বা এটা সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ লাগে সিম্পল কথা এইটোৱে যে গাড়ীৰ চকা যেটো ক্ষয় যায় সেইটো খলাই দিয়াটো কমকৈ যাব আৰু বাকি কেইটা বেছিকৈ যাব গতিকে গোটেইকেইটা একেলগে খলাই দিয়াটো ভাল ইনডাইৰেক্টলি সেইটো তেওঁলোকৰ এটা এডভাইস আছিলে The advice was that it is better to change all. Otherwise, the tire, when you change the shock absorber, there will be no problem. There will be no wearing. There will be no erode or erosions. regarding that particular tire, but other will be erode. So better you need to change all. Into that case, there will be a good adjustment of all the tire. Okay. If you want to get rid of the duct sound which is bothering you, one of the front shock absorber must be replaced. Better while you do it, replace the pair so that your tire will be uniform. Otherwise, your steering system will be damaged. নহলে আপোনাৰ গোটেই steering system damage হৈ যাব, আপুনি control কৰিব নোৱাৰিব. Let's just try to understand for a common man like us. If anyone will say into that way, যে আপুনি গোটেইকেইটা সলাই দিয়ক নহলে কিন্তু আপোনাৰ গাড়ীখনেই শেষ হৈ যাব. Into that case, we obviously do what? We say that okay, you do it as you like. That kind of the conditions actually they would like to create. So do they say in a very indirect way, the problem is in the front. Just try to understand this line. The problem is in the front, but better replace all. Or they also just try to create a fear psychosis in the mind of the customer that otherwise your steering system will be damaged. Only আপনার গোটে steering system তে নষ্ট হৈ যাব. গতিকে সেই মুহূৰ্তত এজন মানুহে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ সিদ্ধান্তই ল'ব. এইটো সাধাৰণ কথা. গতিকে ৰাইটাৰে এইটো ক'ব গৈছে যে তেওঁলোকৰ কথাবিলাক অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ. তেওঁলোকে ডাইৰেক্ট কোৱা নাই যে আপুনি গোটেইকেইটা সলাই দিয়ক. প্ৰব্লেমটো আপোনাৰ ইয়াত আছে, কিন্তু আপুনি গোটেইকেইটা কৰি দিয়ক. আৰু কিন্তু আপুনি কিন্তু এটা কৰিলে কিন্তু আপোনাৰ গাড়ীখনৰ প্ৰব্লেম হ'ব. You just try to understand their style of talking. Okay. And here, after the diagnosis, after whenever they diagnose the car, they would direct me to the one and only establishments, the side of the binders. Side of the binders. So what is a binders? Binder range actually. Generally is not the southern India, actually middle India. If you see in the map, you can see the Binder region, a mountain range. In the Binder regions, there are a lot of states. A Binder area, a bakhano state ase, janake dhara middle India, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. This particular area is called Binder or Binder range. So they directed to move him to the middle India. In a particular area, there is a lot of workshop. The key collective after the diagnosis, they would direct me to the one and only establishment, the side of the windows, which stock imported spares. Jot ki kora hoy, imported spare কিছুমান, reserve part কিছুমান তাত পোৱা যায়. Imported part, reserve part. An exclusive shop, exclusive, entire, whole, everything, every item is available there. An exclusive shop catering only to the elite. Catering means providing only to the elite, the high class. Elite means the high class of the people. It's not for the ordinary people, high class of the people. They could toss across the counter. Toss, they give or throw or produce any item through the counter if you have the money. Tokarile counter e sob bostu ahi jay. Etu kono dangor kotha noy. Sob available hoy. They could toss across the counter. Ei line to meaning ei nai kwa. Produce item, give anything, or produce item for inspection by a customer in a shop. Inspection koribo paribo, sabo paribo, aru to lui jabo paribo, logabo paribo, matra eta bostu lagibo, toka lagibo. If you have the money, you can get anything into that particular workshop. They could toss across the counter anything you wanted, from a little screw to a whole engine. From a little screw, eta horu screw prada engine oleke tar hokolo poa jay at a price fixed. But the problem is that for that particular piece, price is fixed. There is no bargaining. For royalty still on their thrones. Throne means, you know, that impressive seat used by the monarch. Rojai boha jikhon hingakhon, ekhonok ki boli koa hoy? Throne boli koa hoy. Yare ki koisile je if you wanted from a little screw to whole engine at a price bid, indeed for a royalty still on their throne. So royalty means that they feel that they have the royal rank, or they have the supreme authority, or they feel that they are king who sit on their thrones and pass orders. Whenever king say anything, no one can make any questions. So whatever the king say, others compelled to obey the orders. Like that, they behave like that. Regarding the price, a customer entering the shop was expected to be lofty-minded. A customer entering the shop need to be lofty-minded, high-minded. Regarding the price, dangor mon hobo lagibo. Toka mor karone dangor kotha nohoy, mok service lage, like that. Lofty-minded. And discreet enough. Discreet means quiet. Silence enough. I want the service. Money is not the matter for me. Like that. Silent. Not to question the price. Not to question the price. Mulya সম্পর্কে বা টাকা সম্পর্কে কোনো ধরনের প্রশ্ন তার কিন্তু ঠাই না পাবো. But part with his cash, but need to ready his cash, টাকা লাগিব. Oh God. With an air of amused non-challenge. With an amused means what? Pleasant manner. Non-challenge, indifferent. No problems. Need to be indifferent. Regarding the money. টকাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত একেবাৰে ইনডিফাৰেণ্ট হৈ থাকিব লাগিব। দে একো ডাঙৰ কথা নহয় এইটো। কি ডাঙৰ কথা? মোক চাৰ্ভিচে লাগে। Amuse non-challenge and even benevolence, and need to maintain the well-meaning attitude. So that need to be the characteristic of a particular customer. Those who would like to want the service from that particular workshop. So what kind of the attitude? Like nothing happened. Money is not the matter. Service is the matter. For the service, I am ready to give anything. That kind of attitude. Whenever you spend some money regarding that, you need to maintain well-meaning attitude. You need not make any questions regarding the money. That kind of a customer can enter into that particular workshop. Okay, so the writer here wants to give some idea what was the problem of his car and some of his experience of the workshop. Now see what happens. Whenever the writer come to know this, so obviously a person who generally like walking, but due to some unknown event, he compelled to buy the car. What will be the reactions of that particular person? So obviously, you can understand that tenekwa manu ejoner kenekwa dhanor reaction hobo tenekwa eta kotha hunile. Okay, so teo reaction to teo dise yate next paragraph. Just his reactions. I began to fear that at this rate, মোৰ ভয় লাগিব আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলে যে এনেকুৱা হাৰত যদি মোৰ I was obliged to visit the workshop every other week. To shed my saving, I was obliged, if I was obliged, compelled by the force, constrained by the force, I obliged, মই যদি এনেকুৱা বাধ্য হওঁ যে মই যাবই লাগে, ভিজিট কৰিব লাগে, ৱৰ্কশ্বপ লাগে, every other week, প্ৰতি সপ্তাহত, to shed my saving, to spend my saving, I should soon reach the brink of bankruptcy effortlessly. I should soon reach the brinkman edge of bankruptcy, means insolvency generally, insolvency or unable to pay the bill, toka nohoa obostha. So without any effort, I will be insolvent. I don't have any money at that stage if I visit into that way and spend my earnings into that rate. So, into that condition, without any effort, I will be moneyless. কোনো ধৰণৰ প্ৰচেষ্টা নোহোৱাকৈ মই টকা নোহোৱা পৰ্যায়লৈকে গুচি যাম, তাৰ বাবে মোৰ কোনো প্ৰচেষ্টাৰ প্ৰয়োজন নাই। মই যদি তেনেকুৱা হাৰত টকা খৰচ কৰিব লাগে, কোনো ধৰণৰ এফৰ্ট নোহোৱাকৈ মই কেনেকুৱা অৱস্থা হৈ যাব, মোৰ টকা নোহোৱা এটা অৱস্থা মোৰ হ'ব। Okay. Effortlessly, I seem to have let myself into a strange world. Or I seem to have let myself into a strange world. I feel that I am surrounded by a strange world, different world. মই এনেকুৱা ভাৱ হৈছিলে যে মই এখন আচৰিত পৃথিৱীৰ দ্বাৰা যেন মই আগুৰি আছোঁ, আচৰিত ধৰণৰ পৃথিৱীত যেন মই আছোঁ। Strange world, people by a class of high priests and voodoo men, surrounded by a class of the people, high priest, high class of the people, and a voodoo man. What is a voodoo man? One who believes in the magic. That kind of the person is called voodoo man. People concerned with witchcraft and magical belief. One who believe in magic. Through the magic they can do anything. That kind of the people. So, into what sense? কাক কৈছে voodoo man বুলি? কিয় কৈছে so I do line? I feel that I surrounded by the high class of the people, or some of the people, those who feel that they can do anything. The working of whose minds I could never fathom. I never understand their mind, what kind of the thinking they have, what kind of the mind they have. Regarding that, I don't have any idea. The working of whose minds I never fathom, I never understand their working. I never understand their psychology. But the problem is that, but still, who held sway over me, but still, directly or indirectly, they have the capacity, or we are influenced by them. They're capable to control us, who held sway over me. I still follow them. They're able to control us. So voodoo men like the mechanics, regarding that they also say that no problems, we can do anything, we can bring them back to the shape. If you have the money, we can provide you any kind of the service. So, if you have the money, nothing is impossible. I feel. So, the writer feel that I am surrounded that kind of the people, high class of the people. High class of the people means what? Only those people, those who have the money, they are value. They get the value, and if you don't have, you don't get a value. Because magic is possible if you have the money, and magic is impossible if you don't have the money. Get the point, I think. অৰ্থাৎ মই এনেকুৱা এখন সমাজত আছোঁ য'ত হাই ক্লাছ অফ দ্য পিপল বা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কিছুমান মানুহ যিবিলাক মানুহে কৰিব নোৱাৰা কাম একো নাই, যেন তেওঁলোকৰ হাতৰ পাকতে এটা কাম কৰি দিব, তেনেকুৱা এখন সমাজৰ দ্বাৰা যেন মই আবৃত হৈ মই গম পাওঁ সেই মানুহবিলাক তেনেকুৱা। কিন্তু জানি বা নাজানি সেই মানুহৰ দ্বাৰাই কিন্তু আমি কি হৈ আছোঁ, আমি কিন্তু কণ্ট্ৰল হৈ আছোঁ। সেই মানুহখিনিৰ ওচৰলৈকে কিন্তু আমি যাব লাগিব, আমি বাধ্য, আমাক কৰোৱা হয়। Who will sway over me? Those who can control us, capable to control us. Now see. Now here, my dear students, if you have any question, as I would like to remind you, you can make the questions, no problem. So, the next paragraph. Two cyclists collided and fell on my car parked in front of the hospital and smashed the parking light on the left side. So there was an incident. So two cyclists collided in clash. Mane khunda idea. Two cyclists collided and fell on my car parked in front of the hospital and smash. Smash means break or something brittle. Mane bhanga. Bhangi pelaisile. The parking light on the left side of parking light to ki korisile two cyclists. Tat তেওঁৰ গাড়ীখনত য'ত হস্পিটেলৰ ওচৰত তেওঁ পাৰ্ক কৰিছিলে তাত খুন্দাইছিলে আৰু তেওঁৰ লেফ্ট ছাইডৰ পাৰ্কিং লাইট ভাঙি পেলাইছিলে। It could not ordinarily be replaced in this country. So the writer feel that it could not be replaced ordinarily in this country. The elite shop could produce one. Elite shop means the high class workshop. Produce one. If I prepare to pay 2,000 for the piece, if I have the money, simple meaning is that if I have the money, 2,000 rupees, then they will give me the light. My mechanic inquired why I did not visit New York and pick it up there. My mechanic inquired. So when the writer went to the mechanic and showed the problem that his mechanic incurred and advised him that why he did not visit New York. So New York leke kyon na jai? So that is what kind of thing he said. Te kenekwa eta kotha koisile je apuni New York jok logai loi hok light to. I had to remind him as gently as I could that he was talking nonsense. So I had to remind him, তেওঁক মই এইটো মনত কৰি দিছিলোঁ যিমান ভদ্ৰভাৱে পাৰি, as gently as I could, that is talking nonsense. তেওঁ এজন কি কথা কৈছে তেওঁ? So mechanic's actual psychology is that the customer will hesitate to pay the desired amount. 2,000 rupees is not a lot of amount. If anyone will go to the New York and replace the light, it will cost a lot. So the mechanic would like to make a comparison, would like to remind him, we are not taking a lot of charge, 2,000 rupees is not a sufficient amount, like that. So I had to remind him as gently as I could that he was talking nonsense. Then he examined the damage closely and declared. Then when the writer speak that in a very aggressive way, that what you are talking. Into that case, the mechanic examined the damage and declared, oh yes, only the glass is broken. Into that case, the mechanic examined and say that, oh yes, only the glass is broken. Now you just try to understand their psychology. Earlier they are ignored, or when the writers speak into that way, they start to examine and say, oh, only the glass is broken.